Hello, in this second part of the sponsor presentation module tutorial video, I will show you how to create sponsorships, or as we call them, contributions. To start, navigate to the sponsor management section of your project. To create a sponsorship for a specific sponsor, go to the respective drop-down menu and select Add Contribution. A form will open. On the top of the form you will see the selected sponsors, so you can be sure having selected the correct one. Start by giving the contribution a title. This can be anything you like, although we recommend a compact descriptive title. Use the description field to tell the story of this specific contribution. For example, explain what the motivation of the sponsor was, but most importantly, describe the impact the sponsorship is going to have on the project. Next, indicate the date of the contribution, or in case we're talking about a continuous sponsorship, indicate the respective contribution period by adding an end date. Notice that the dates are given in terms of month and year. The indication of a specific day is not possible. It is possible to describe the contribution in terms of three quantities, namely the size of the benefited area, the number of planted trees, or the amount of given money. To edit these values, just click on the respective symbols and enter the wished number in the pop-up field. Conclude by hitting Enter on your keyboard or clicking on the OK button. None of these quantities are mandatory, and you are free to combine them as you need. Use the administrative ID field to enter any value that will allow you to identify the current contribution later on. This field is not public and has solely administrative purposes. Finalize the editing by clicking on the Create Contribution button. You see that the sponsor entry now shows that it has one contribution. Click on it to get the filtered contribution list, which shows only the contributions of the selected sponsor. Note that this action is equivalent to setting the filter of the contributions list to one sponsor. When opening the unfiltered contribution list, you will see all contributions to the project. Use the filter to list contributions of one sponsor alone. To edit a contribution, click on the pen icon. To delete it, select the delete action from the drop-down menu. Now, let's have a look at how contributions are presented in the project presentation. In the sponsors list, sponsors with contributions will show an additional link. Clicking on it will open the sponsor landing page, showing all contributions of that sponsor to the project. As this page has a unique URL, you can share the sponsor landing page with anyone. Another possibility is to use the sharing button to share the page on Facebook and other social media. In the next video, I will explain how you can link contributions to sites. For further information, have a look at the description of this video, where I am sharing a few additional links. Thank you for watching.